Cebu Port. She just arrived at Cebu Port. Cebu Port, guys. So, it's the port of Cebu City, Philippines. And she just arrived here with this ferry, Sikat. 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 So, alright, guys. Let's go. There's also the shuttle bus. Shuttle bus. Arrive at Cebu City. Cebu City Port of Cebu Pier 3. So, sabi na guys, ang init guys. Ang init. Ang init niya, in fairness. Ayan, lalabas na tayo ngayon. Lalabas. Check. Ang init. Ang init.
Nagsugod natin itong pagka-December. Hindi nag-open. Bago man yung branch.
So, after nito, punta muna tayo ng accommodation ko. And then, after the accommodation tomorrow, alis ako. Alis na naman, bibiyahin na naman si Che. So, dito muna tayo sa Pier 3 of Cebu City. So, I enjoy my stay at Hilongos, Southern Leyte. So, mga 2 days ako doon. I've been there for 2 days. Next stop, kailangan na natin next stop ulit. Back to Cebu kasi wala akong ibang way sa next pupuntahan ko. Kundi mag-back to Cebu and then I will going to ride again another ferry tomorrow. So, thank you guys. Super init guys. Grabe, ang init ng panahon. Super init. Super init talaga. Super init. Super.
Once again, attention to all passengers. Past that bound for Tubigon at 1:30 p.m. departure time. Please inform that the estimated time of our departure will be at 3 p.m.
Oh, super init din. Super init talaga. Dito ako mag-ano kasi sobrang init.
Ito naman. Motor. Gather, motor din. Motor ba?
Ang init.
Boss, motor boss. Boss.
Pier of Cebu. Oh, may foreigner. Oo. Foreigner. Ang daming tumatawag sa kanya para magsakay ng rides kung saan sila dadalhin. So, mga foreigner. Oh, may bata pa dito. Magsakay lang ako ng siguro sasakyan. Diba? Sa Galilea. Kilabay. Okay, bye-bye for now, Che. Needs to find something to write on. So, guys, bye-bye. Kuya, sa Summit Galleria Hotel. Ay, ay, ay. Eh,
Sa lapit, ma'am?
Summit Galleria Hotel. Dyan lang sa ano, malapit na.
Ano, Galeria?
Opo. Sa hotel po. This is Pier 3. Gate number 3. Gate number 3 of Pier 3. Here at Cebu City. I just ride taxi na lang guys. Super init. I wanted to ride this motorcycle but it's so hot. So I just ride here. Grabe, ang gulo pa ng buhok ko. Walang suklay. But anyway, we're back at Cebu right now. And I'm going to just stay for a night there. And then afterwards, I'm going to ride again a ferry tomorrow for our next destination. So that's it for now, guys. To Garia Summit Cebu Hotel. It's a hotel that we chose because it's like connected to the mall. So yeah. And this is like super near lang. Super near to the airport. So guys, see you at Summit Galleria Hotel. So we are here. Summit Galleria. That's it. This is it. Pansin. Tala. Guys. Kuya, oh. Kuya.
Sakto na rin, ma'am?
Okay.
Kapi na lang taon sa kamahal.
Sige na. Ouch. You're right. Here at Cebu. Galleria, Summit Galleria Cebu. Here. Pag. So guys, we are here na at Summit Galleria Cebu Hotel and I'm going to enter the hotel na. And yeah, so Thank you everyone for watching. This is Chip saying ingat lagi and God bless. Bye-bye!